In this lesson, we're going to change the distances between columns using the reference planes. So here, these are the reference planes, and these are the columns, of course. So let's say we're going to change the distance between these two reference planes. You're just going to click this line, then change that to 5.5. So now it moves. And then next is we're going to window these columns. You can also click it individually. Click this column, then hold Control, then click this column. Then you go to this icon, move. You can also type MV. So click on that icon, then hover at the midpoint of column. Click on that, and then you go to the right, and then make sure it is perpendicular to the reference plane, then click on it. So now we're able to position the columns based on this moved reference plane. So another at the bottom, this one, just click on this, then hover on this value 4.5, click, and then you type 5.5, then enter. So the reference plane moves now, then press escape, then click the columns, press hold to be able to pick the second column. Then click move icon or type MV, then hover at the midpoint of the column, click and then move downward. Make sure it is perpendicular to the bottom reference plane, and then click. Escape. Now we're going to make use of another method. So Control Z. This one, we're going to change to 5.5 again. And instead of move tool, we're going to use align tool. So align tool is under modify. So you type EL or click align tool. Then first is click this reference plane, zoom in, and then hover at the center of this column, and then just continue for the second column, hover at the center, click on that, and then now the columns are moved, and it's based on the reference plane. The reference plane is passing through the center of these two columns. Press escape, and another pressing of the escape. So you have to press escape twice in order to end the tool. Another is, to be precise, use the annotate. then align dimension, click on that, then click to reference planes, hover above these two reference planes also, click this one and the bottom line as well. Then click on the side, press escape twice to end the tool. So let's say this one, you click this line, then hover at the dimensions on this value. Let's say you type 6,000. We type 6,000 instead of 6 because the dimension is using millimeters. However, if we want it meters, then click on this dimension and click that dimension. Then here in the properties, you go to edit type, click on this, and then duplicate. So you can rename or just stick with this naming. Okay, and then you go to primary units, this part, click on this, and then instead of millimeters, choose meters. Then here, rounding, 2 decimal places, okay, apply, okay. So now this is based on meters. So this one will change this to meters. So click this dimension, then hover on this part, the type selector, you click on that, and then this is the recent created dimension. Click on that. So as you can see, this is now based on meters. So press escape, click this reference plane, then hover on this value 5.5, click on that, and you can type now 6 instead of 6,000. So the reference plane now moves. So using align, you go to modify, click align or type EL. So click this line and then make sure multiple alignment is checked so that you can click these two columns consecutively. Then press escape and then another escape to end the tool. For this one, on this part, again click align. You can also press enter to activate the recent tool, which is aligned, and then click this reference plane. Then now you click these columns. Again, make sure multiple alignment is checked so that you can consecutively click the columns. If you will only click one column or there is only one column that you will align, then you may uncheck multiple alignment. Press escape twice to end the tool.